In this video, I'm going to show you how to bookkeep a refund in Wave. First, head over to your Wave dashboard. Once there, click on the Accounting option from the left-hand side menu, and from the options that appear, select Transactions. Before proceeding, you need to decide the type of refund you are making. If you are refunding an overpayment made by a customer, we have a separate video titled How to Manage Invoice Overpayments in Wave, which you can search for on our channel. This video focuses on refunds related to invoices that have been paid by customers or refunds for any other type of income, such as sales. For demonstration, I will create a refund for a $50 sale. To start, click on the Add Transaction option located at the upper right-hand side of your screen. Since this is a refund and money will be returned to your customer from your account, select Add Withdrawal. Begin by choosing the date of the refund, then select the account from which the refund will be deducted. Make sure this is the same account where the original payment was received. Enter the refund amount. In this case, it is $50. For the category, type in Refund. Next, two options appear. The first, Refund Sent for an invoice, allows you to select an invoice that has already been sent. The second, Refund for Income, is used for other types of income. Select Refund for Sales. You can also add a description such as refund processed for customer for cancelled order and include additional notes if needed. If you have a receipt or invoice, click on Select a File to upload it for your records. Once all details are completed, click Save and the refund will be recorded and deducted from your account. This is how you can properly bookkeep a refund in Wave.